Hi, here's what I'm going to ask you to do. We're going to be working on a digital book talk book trailer. So this is the document you found in Google Classroom. It has some instructions, word by word, what I want included in your digital book talk. If you scroll to the second page, it has an example. This example is using the Watsons. You can look over it and see kind of what I'm thinking. There's also a spot for you for where it says your turn, where you can begin to type in what you want to put for your book talk. Now, of course, you're getting your information from your digital book talk paper, your pre-writes. This is where you're getting your information from, and you're putting it in here. You're going to end up using Animoto, which looks a little bit like this, and this is where you're going to put your content in. So if you see these, they're pretty small, and it has exactly enough room for 40 characters, so it's not very long. So the top one has enough room for 40. The bottom has enough room for 50, and it makes like a topic and subtopic kind of look. So this one will be more in bold. That's all the content you can put on one little slide. So I'm asking you to look very closely with yours and figure out what information can you put. So you're going to plan it out. You're going to plan out your hook. So have you ever? You can type directly into this, and we'll end up using this tomorrow to copy and paste it into our book talk. So you'll introduce your book, you'll put the title, like let's say I was doing Diary of a Wimpy Kid. All right, and I do want you to check your grammar and capitalization and make sure that's right. So you're going to fill this in just like I'm doing here, okay? And the reason why is because you're going to end up copying and pasting it just like this, and it'll be these little cards. Now, I wanted to show you what yours will kind of end up looking like so that you get an idea. Okay. Notice, see, that's the max amount you can put, the top and the bottom. It's really short. See, look, like this one right here is exactly what I would have typed right here under connection. Kenny is always over exaggerating, just like Mrs. Saltemeyer. So notice how I kind of had to put that into two little lines, but it's still possible. All right. So I just want you to use this as kind of an idea about where you'll be headed. So take the time, fill yours in completely, and I want this ready tomorrow to get approved so that you can open an Animoto account and start your digital book talk.